In this video, we're going to talk about APEX and Tradovate accounts and how to connect them to NinjaTrader. Now, when you scroll on down, now we know rhythmic accounts tend to be the most popular. However, they're also the most difficult to set up. If you scroll down a little bit more, APEX also has Tradovate plans. You can scroll through and see all the different account sizes, basically the same accounts that we see with the rhythmic plans. Now, once you purchase your Tradovate account, you'll see the credentials right down here. In the top, you'll see your username. We can click show password and you can see your password. You're going to need both of those in order to set it up. Now, once you've already purchased your APEX account, you need to come over to Tradovate. Now, I just simply typed in Tradovate in the Google search, and that's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Now, from here, we need to go ahead and select login. Once we log in, then where it says username, we need to come back over to the Tradovate username. Go ahead and select that. Go ahead and copy it. Then we'll go ahead and paste that in the username there. Then come over to the password, copy the password, come right back over to Tradovate, paste in the password, go ahead and click login. I'm going to click login. Now, this is where it's going to ask us, right? Professional, non-professional. Most people are going to be non-professional. Then click next. Then I'm going to go ahead and click I have read, and I'll go ahead and sign this real quick. Go ahead and put my name in, the date, August 3rd, sign. Now, you can download your subscriber agreement. I'm just going to simply hit close. I have no need for that. Now, from here, let's just see. Is there anything else we have to click on? And I'm going to go ahead and scroll on down, and I got to accept cookies. I'm going to click accept right over here. Now it's going to say access simulation. Now, if I want to go and trade inside of Tradovate, I can click right here, access simulation. Instead though, since we're talking about NinjaTrader and how to connect it, now we're going to jump over to the NinjaTrader platform. Now I want to bring it to your guys' attention. There is no published 80% sale with APEX Trader Funding at this moment, but if you use the link in the description box down below and use promo code Mike at checkout, I've been told that 80% discount is still being applied. And always remember, promo code Mike will always get you the best deal APEX has to offer. Now for the next step, we need to come right back over here to NinjaTrader and we need to have the control panel pulled up. Now, from the control panel pulled up, this is going to be very, very simple. All we have to do is come right over here to connections. Now, you can see I am already connected to my funded futures and APEX Tradovate. I also have an APEX rhythmic accounts as well, but come right over here to configure. Then on the left-hand side, what we want to do is we want to look for where it says NinjaTrader. Now, just simply double click on that, and then it'll bring it right down here. Now, what we're going to do from this screen is we want to label it. So you want to name it whatever you choose. I'll just name this one video test. That way I know to go ahead and delete it. Now, where it says username and password, I don't know why it says optional. This is not optional. This is a must-have. So now what we need to do is we need to go back into our dashboard within APEX. Now we're in that Tradovate section that we were using before to log into Tradovate. We need to go to username, come back over here to NinjaTrader, then go ahead and paste in the username. Go back over to the dashboard where it says password, copy the password, come back over here to NinjaTrader. Then we need to go ahead and paste that in. At that point, you want to make sure where it says account type, make sure that is set to simulation, click apply, and then click OK. Now, if I were to try to do that now, it's going to give me some error message. See right here, you must provide a username and password or sign in using your Apple ID or Google ID. So I don't know why they say username and password is optional, but once you do that, once you get that all set up, then all you have to do when you want to log into the Tradovate, to the APEX Tradovate account through NinjaTrader is come right back over here to connections, go ahead and select, in this case, I have it named Tradovate APEX, and select connect. Then you'll quickly see the accounts populate, bada bing, bada boom. Now you're ready to go ahead and trade your APEX Tradovate account on the NinjaTrader 8 platform. Now, if you'd like to learn more about prop firms, make sure to watch this playlist right here.